Good morning, West Michigan. I'm Fox 17 Weather Ready meteorologist Terry DeBoer joining you live here on this Saturday morning. If you're somebody who absolutely loves summer, you've been enjoying the last couple of weeks, and today, well, this could be the peak of the warmth with high temperatures in many inland areas approaching 90 degrees this afternoon. A live view will show you good visibility as we check out the view looking back toward downtown Holland and off to the north out over downtown Grand Rapids. As you can see, traffic moving along very smoothly. Not much of it out there as we approach 6:45 here on this Saturday morning. Temperatures are holding steady in the 50s to low 60s, so comfortably cool to start the day. Readings along the lakeshore well into the 60s. Holland at 70 degrees, 68 now in Muskegon. Those water temps in Lake Michigan are still holding in the upper 60s to near 70 degrees near the beaches as well. So we're tracking the midsummer weather pattern continuing through the weekend and even into Monday. We do have near record high temperatures expected today. A cold front arriving Tuesday will bring us back into October weather reality starting next week with high temperatures slipping back into the seasonable 60s. By the way, our average high is 66 degrees. The average low is in the mid 40s. As we check out the satellite radar composite across the region, you see there's really just not much of anything going on. A few isolated very light sprinkles and rain showers moving through the northern part of lower Michigan and also across the eastern part of the UP. This is the big player on the map, a strong cold front that is in the Dakotas, Montana, Wyoming. That's going to be pressing eastward over the next 24 to 48 hours. We do keep the moisture and energy west of us until the front itself gets close enough to start energizing that activity, and that won't be until later in the day Monday. So here's a look at the future track. This is as of Monday morning, early afternoon. You can see some of those isolated showers and thunder showers will begin developing across northern lower Michigan back into Wisconsin. And as this front continues then overnight Monday night into early Tuesday, that's when we will finally see some rain chances here in West Michigan. A few showers later Monday. Better chance of the showers coming through, especially during the first half of the day Tuesday. By Wednesday and Thursday, we're back to dry but cooler weather. And then you can see the precip chances are about 20% on Friday of next week. And that's just because we'll get some instability showers as that colder pocket of air settles in the upper atmosphere. Lake Michigan. We don't often show you this much beyond Labor Day, but this is going to be a fantastic weekend for lakeshore activities. A little choppy this afternoon as waves build 1 to 3 feet because of that southwesterly wind direction. But look at these water temperatures. Well into the 60s. Now the rest of that 7-day forecast showing you all that sunshine around. If you just stopped in here, you'd certainly almost think that we are showing you this in June or July. We do, though, expand the view, taking you right into next week with a few showers later Monday. Monday's high still at 80 degrees, 60s on Tuesday. Low to mid 60s for highs for Wednesday and Thursday. Thursday morning, we could see some patchy frost in those frost-prone areas. This is the 8 to 14-day outlook. It takes us well into the beginning of the third week of October, and you'll see a lot of oranges on the map across the central and eastern United States, including the Great Lakes. Now, average highs by this point in time are in the low 60s, but we'll easily see several more days in October with highs approaching or surpassing the 70 degrees.